painting. Absolutely stunning view over there. We're heading to a bike meet. Be my first bike meet that I've attended. I don't normally attend bike meets because I never actually know about them, but got a drop on this one, so we're going. It's a very nice sky, but don't be fooled, it's still the UK. It's still fucking freezing.
Okay.
You alright?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Not very early. Oh, yeah, now I see it.
Yeah, I've literally just got, both of the panels came today and I went to replace it before coming.
Yeah.
But obviously 𝐒𝐿𝐴 is such a good brand, you have to take this panel off, or this panel off, just to get to that one.
Yeah. Well, that sounds like a KTM.
Yeah. I just got smacked in the fucking eyes. They're kill switching, bro. Ain't no one kill switching me. That bike that just pulled up, yeah, I think it's a 𝐿𝐴𝐸𝐸7, could be a 9, but it's fucking nice that. Everyone here, bro, it's nice. I don't know what moped that is, yeah. That so much. MT9, I thought so, bro.
Why the fuck you lying?
I didn't even need to do that, bro. We had a gap as well. We're chilling behind. misfitted, bro.
Embarrassing.
Alright, my hand's fucking cold though, I will say. We've lost the biker. No, we haven't. I could see him in my mirrors, bro. It's quite a nice bright day. It's not warm, it's still freezing. Yeah, my gloves just aren't good enough. Like, they're winter gloves, yeah, but they don't feel like winter gloves, because even in like now, my hands are still cold. So need better winter gloves. But there's no point, because hopefully summer's coming soon. Oh, we're overtaking. Currently lost the actual lead of this group. I've actually lost the biker as well. I thought he was still behind me. Horrible. We're currently in Dawlish now. I was just about to say we're currently in Devon, yes. Almost at the place we're going. I don't actually know where the fucking place is, I just know it's Exeter. So I just know we're near now. We're near. It's been a nice turnout, to be honest. It's definitely something different to what I normally do, to be honest. Like, it's my first ride out. I don't really do these things, but it's actually quite nice. It's a good experience. I recommend it. If you guys want more ride out videos, meets and shit, then let me know in the comments. Also like the video, subscribe because it helps me out. My journey's only just beginning. Big things in 2026. Fuck it, give the same energy back, bro. If a Harley's putting his hand up to you, you fucking do it back.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Woo! Woo! Fucking hell! Bit slippery. What's that?
I'll check my dash cam later.
Yeah.
Save it.
Yeah.
Press this. Save the last 5 minutes of videos on the phone.
Oh, nice. If you find it, send it me.
Oh yeah.
That's I don't know how the fuck I saved that.
Oh, if you put the brakes on, that's a bit fun.